Hello pips. Sunday morning, Sunday lunchtime, just gone 12ish, just past 12. Not really much to do, but I was talking to Mr. Timothy about something else. Video I done yesterday actually is what I was talking to him about, and I've come to the decision I don't like the back wheels on my Curtainsider trailer. They're Tamiya wheels, super singles, but they're white. And I've done the, what do you call them, the nut cover, nut guard thing, black. I thought they might grow on me, but they haven't. And then when I watched, or was editing that video and then watched it back, I thought I really don't like them. So I've got some silver spray, the same as what the MAN colour pulling it was. So project for today, I'm going to take them wheels off and spray them silver, because I think that would look more realistic, and then plonk them back on. I took off the chrome crap that come with them. I don't like that cast and chrome wheels. Chrome just, I don't know what it is. I just don't like chrome. Chrome looks cheap. I like aluminium wheels. I like steel wheels, but the chrome, I don't know what it is. If it's just me or if anyone else, but chrome just, it really does look cheap, and you don't very often see chrome wheels, not in this country anyway. Mostly steel wheels. Some of them have covers on them, but they're still mostly steel. So that's the project for today, but I've also got to cut a little bit of this green baize, I think they call it. Green baize, green cloth, to line this money box I've made for a friend. Lockable money box. Just look nice with a bit of green crap inside. So I'm going to do that now, and then I will get the trailer down, show you the wheels before I start, and then show you the wheels when I've finished. And that'll be about it. I'm not going to video everything, because that would even bore, well, it would bore anyone. Right, that's before. Don't get me wrong, I don't mind them, I just don't think they suit this trailer. Just the white and black don't, I don't know, just me. My trailer, do what I like. So they're going to be sprayed silver. Alright, there's the wheels painted. Looking much better. If you stay around, you'll see another driving video straight after this.